Say chestnuts. Chestnut. 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 Chestnuts. 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 Today I'm going to use puff pastry in a sweet way. I'm going to show you how to turn this into these. Wow. So first things first, we're going to have to make our chestnut puree. In this bowl I have 100 grams of chestnuts, which I'm going to add into the pot with 50 milliliters of water and 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now with the puff pastry, same process as before. Just roll it out, but this time we want to split it in half. Brush with melted butter, sprinkle some sugar and some cinnamon. Spread your chestnut puree and sprinkle some more chopped chestnuts on top of the pastry. Press down the outsides of the pastry, which lifts up the inside, creating a rose shape. There you have it, your cinnamon and chestnut rolls. Happy Christmas.